guys, HavasuLew out in windy Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out a bedroom pool home for a client in a windstorm. So anyways, hang out with us and check it out with us, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright guys, sorry for the wind. This is 3373 Cherokee Lane. Reduced to 555. Sits in a nice little centrally located cul-de-sac. Cool little desert landscaping. So this one does have side boat RV type parking. Looks wide enough. Let's get out of the wind and go check this thing out. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 1994. Just under 1,300 square feet, 1,297. Sits on a 10,000 plus square foot lot. So this one definitely has a Southwest Santa Fe style vibe going for it. And this one does come fully furnished. So kind of what you see is what you get on this. So they did the roofs recently as well, it shows, 2018. So you have your little casual dining area. Vaulted ceiling, split bedroom layout. The counters are laminate. Looks like they upgraded the sink a little bit. So you have a little pantry, your indoor laundry and garage access down here too as well that we'll go check out in a minute. And a little shot of the backyard pool from the kitchen window. So the master is behind the kitchen. So the pool and the spa were installed in 2015, and also it was painted. Exterior paint was done in 2020. Just going to try to get some of this stuff out of the way before I go back into the windstorm out there. You have a mirrored double door into the walk-in closet. So your master bath only has one sink, solid surface, does have a skylight in here, and your glass door shower. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So you have guest bedroom number 1 at the rear of the house on the other side of the house. So you have a couple linen closets and your guest bath in the middle of the hallway. Solid surface top. And you have the second guest bedroom, which is bedroom number 3 at the front of the house. All right, let's go check out the garage and the pool. So back down the kitchen, you have a little pantry or indoor laundry and garage access. So you have a 2-car garage. It's 28 feet deep, 7.5 foot door it says, which is a little odd. And it does have a mini split AC unit. So this door is actually insulated. Looks like they just painted it recently, probably when they did the exterior. There's your mini split unit. Access to the backyard. Of course, you have your water heater, reverse osmosis, and soft water. All right, so we're heading back outside. They have a cool little bar with a barbecue. Also has a fridge, power, travertine tile top. Looks like they also did travertine decking. They put can lights in the covered patio as well as speakers, and there's also a flat screen TV out here. So again, the pool was just done a couple years ago. It's real nice, big baja shelf with a beach entry. All travertine, coping, and decking with some stack stone. There's also water features and a actual spa that they have recessed in ground here. Some people like these better because they have more features. Nicely landscaped, pretty private. They have lights around, so it probably looks pretty nice at night. Again, the roof is newer. So I'm not sure why that side's all gated up. It might be for dogs or something. I'm not sure, but it's gated up. You have a little fire pit area with some pavers. Looks like they did a little freeform stacked stone area for the pool equipment. So your side RV boat parking comes all the way back here, so there's plenty of room to put a bunch of stuff back here. Very nice pool for sure. So you also have a little gate access on the side of the house over here. Here's the other side of the bar. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed and can hear that quick little video walk through the house over here on Cherokee Lane. Again, this one was just reduced down to $555. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as usual. You guys have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.